Beth from Memphis, Tennessee has a question about a cabinet makeover.
Oh, boy, does she. Look at this. She's got this nice, expensive cabinetry in there.
Pickled.
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
That was a trend.
Well, it's kind of similar. Ours is has kind of an antique kind of look to it, but our cabinets are not that different in color. Our hardware is very different, though. But Beth says it's 27 years old. It's very good condition. They're made of bird's eye maple with a peachy color stain, which allows the grain to be seen. It's really nice, and it's really getting tired. She says the finish is baked on from the factory, and at this point, she's tired of the pinky peach. So, Tom, Beth wants to know, what's the best way to darken this cabinet?
The best way and the only way, well, I was going to say to paint it. It's really hard to refinish it with a standard stain look, but you know what? If somebody's good with a gel coat stain, they could do something very creative with gel coat stain. So take a look at that. You might want to take a door or a piece of wood out in your garage and play with it a little bit, or always hire a professional when it comes to something like this, as far as I'm concerned. But it's really hard to strip this whole thing down, then go ahead and restain it again. It's going to be next to impossible. It'll be easier for you to get new doors made and put new skins on there and that kind of thing. But you can try a gel coat stain. If you like it, that's great. Or the other way is to paint it.
Or reface.
Reface. You can definitely reface, but that means buying new doors and drawer fronts, not using the old ones. So I know you're trying to avoid that because the maple and everything looks beautiful. It's just the wrong color and that pickled look. It was really trendy for a while, but you got to be careful with trends. It's like parquet floors and stuff. They come and they go, and the wide tie and the thin tie and all this stuff. So don't always lock yourself into something like that.
The only place parquet floors don't go out of fashion is at the Boston Garden.
Oh.
So, all right. You got questions? Send them to us, HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them. Check out these other answers we got over here on the side here, or subscribe to our channel.